In our trader rundown today, Alan Knuckman of Bullseye Option joins me, and this market.
Momentum. That's all I can say. It's just momentum. I don't know where it's going to stop, but you can't fight it.
We just don't see any big down moves here. And of course, we have a GDP number coming into the market. Will that be a big deal, do you think, to traders?
Well, it'll be a positive piece of positive information, but more important right now is we're at the end of earnings season. So sometimes there's a stall after this fundamental information stops coming out, and we've seen 92% of the S&P companies report. 2/3 have beat their expectations on EPS. So that's really what's been driving the market, regardless of all the politics.
President Trump, of course, will speak to Congress tonight. So I'm sure traders will be tuning in because you never know.
You just never know, but we've seen some opportunities, some slip-ups, some gaps where the market could have sold off and it hasn't. So again, it comes back to corporate profits, and things are going very, very well from that standpoint.
One of the names you're watching for us today is FireEye. This is a cybersecurity stock, so it's been a trouble.
Cyber. I just wanted to say that.
It's been a trouble stock. I love that.
It was a $50 stock in 2015. It's really fallen, and it's been trading between 20 and 10 for the last year of trade. And last week, it just made some new relative lows. But we did not make new highs in volatility. So sometimes that's a sign that this downward pressure is over, that the sellers have given up.
What would be an option strategy on this stock?
Well, it's an inexpensive stock, number one. It's trading about $11.50. So I'm looking at the $8 call for January.
Okay.
It's got 11 months of time. It's in the money. It's got a break even maybe $1 higher. So there's plenty of time for good things to happen. And $15 is the midpoint of the action for the year. There's a gap up above. It can fill in that. This option would double.
Thank you for coming on the show, and have a great trading day.
Thank you.